Friends, today's topic of discussion is the subject industrial fluid power. Today we'll be talking about the topics and the content which will be in industrial fluid power and the list of practicals, the term work and the assignments that will be given for the subject industrial fluid power. Let's first start with the topics and the content. Topic number 1, basics of oil hydraulic system. It will come for 24 marks and the division of the marks is as such: general layout, application, merits and limitations of oil hydraulic system will come for 6 marks. Overview of essential properties of oils used in hydraulic circuits, 6 marks. Construction, working principle, application and symbols of vane pump, gear pump, G-rotor pump, okay, screw pump, piston pump will come for 12 marks. So this is how the first topic, basics of oil hydraulic system, will carry 24 marks. Topic 2, hydraulic valves, actuators and accessories will come for 24 marks. Valves 12 marks, actuators 6 marks, accessories 6 marks. Topic 3, oil hydraulic circuit for 12 marks. Here the individual split of marks is not given, but the total is coming for 12 marks. Meter in, meter out, bleed off, unloading, 2-cylinder synchronizing, regenerative, counterbalance, dual pump unloading circuits, sequencing circuit, time dependent and pressure dependent, oil hydraulic circuit for milling machine, shaper machine. Topic 4, introduction to and components of pneumatic system will come for 24 marks. Introduction 6 marks, valves 8 marks, actuators 6 marks and accessories for 4 marks. Topic 5, pneumatic circuits will come for 16 marks. Speed control circuit for double acting cylinder and bidirectional air motor for 8 marks. Sequencing circuit, position based sequencing circuit and time delay circuit for 8 marks. Now the list of practicals for industrial fluid power. Assemble meter in and meter out oil hydraulic circuit and compare its working. List application. Assemble sequencing circuit and list application. Assemble quick return mechanism oil hydraulic circuit for shaper machine. Assemble pneumatic circuit for speed control of double acting cylinder. Assemble pneumatic circuit for speed control of pneumatic motor and measure speed of motor. Study of troubleshooting procedure of various hydraulic and pneumatic circuit. Selection of circuit components for simple oil hydraulic circuit such as circuits used for milling machine, shaping machine. Note, term work shall consist of circuit diagram with ISO symbol, specification and brief write-up for all the above practicals. Okay, and now regarding the assignments. So the following assignments can come for industrial fluid power: market survey of oils used for oil hydraulic circuit, collection of names of manufacturers, detailed technical specification, trade name, cost, packing size, study of any one mobile hydraulic system such as in earth moving equipments or any one stationary hydraulic system such as in machine tool and its detailed report. Study of any pneumatic circuit such as circuits used in special purpose machines, low cost automation system, material handling system and its detailed report.